Hey everyone! Buying a home is a huge step, and one of the most crucial steps during the home buying process is the home inspection. But what exactly does a home inspection cover? Today, I'm breaking it all down so you know what to expect and why it's so crucial for your peace of mind. My name is Pavjo Aujla, and I'm a realtor here in Edmonton with Remax Excellence. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. A home inspection is essentially a top to bottom evaluation of a property's condition. It's done by a licensed inspector who checks the home for any issues that might not be immediately obvious during your showing. Think of it as your home's health checkup before you make one of the biggest investments of your life. It's not about nitpicking every little flaw. No house is perfect. Instead, it's about identifying any significant problems or safety concerns so you can make an informed decision. Now, let's get into what's actually inspected. While every inspector will have their own style, most of them will all cover these key areas. The roof. They'll look for missing shingles, leaks, or any other signs of wear and tear. The foundation. Inspectors look for cracks or other structural issues that could be costly to fix. They'll also take a look at the electrical systems. Outdated wiring, faulty outlets, or overloaded panels are all really big red flags. Don't forget about plumbing. This includes checking for leaks, water pressure, and the overall condition of the pipes. The last of our systems, the HVAC systems. The heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems will all be evaluated thoroughly to ensure they're functioning properly. Next up is the attic and insulation. Inspectors will check for proper insulation and ventilation, which is especially important during Edmonton's cold winters. Don't forget about windows and doors. The inspector is going to make sure everything opens, closes, and seals properly to make sure there's no drafts or leaks coming through. And lastly, we have the exterior. This includes siding, gutters, and lock grating to ensure water is directed away from your house. But wait, that's just the start. A good inspector will also test for potential pest infestations, appliances, and for dangerous substances and safety hazards such as radon or asbestos. Now, it's important to know what home inspections won't cover. Inspectors won't open up walls, test for mold unless it's visible, or evaluate things like swimming pools, hot tubs, or outbuildings unless you've arranged for additional services. If you're concerned about something specific, like air quality or an underground oil tank, you may need to hire a specialist. The key is to communicate with your inspector beforehand to understand the scope of their work. Now that we've discussed what is and isn't covered in a home inspection, here are a few tips to make the most out of your home inspection. First of all, attend the inspection. Being there in person allows you to ask questions and see issues firsthand. Next, bring a checklist. Write down any concerns or questions you've had ahead of time so you don't forget to ask the inspector. And third, be realistic. Remember, the purpose isn't to demand a perfect home, but to understand what you're buying. No home is going to come issue-free, and that's completely fine. You just need to make sure that whatever house you're purchasing, you're fine with taking on the issues that come with it. Finally, let's talk about why a home inspection is so important. You could skip an inspection and save a couple of $100s in the moment, but that could end up costing you thousands of dollars later on. Having a home inspection gives you the power to negotiate repairs, back out of a deal if the issues are too significant, or simply prepare for what's ahead. It's a peace of mind you can't put a price on. Me personally, I'll always encourage my clients to include a property inspection condition on any property they're interested in purchasing. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about what's included in a home inspection and why it's so essential. Have questions or have a story about your own home inspection? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're buying a home in Edmonton and want expert guidance, all my contact information is in the comments down below, so don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you again in the next one.